I'm seeing a lot of videos of people who cannot align their chain on these gk110s. I think there's a few others. It's taotao. I think the Jeepster might be the same thing. And the reason they can't align them is this sprocket from the factory is supposed to look like this. And it's very difficult to get on. There's two bolts here. They bolt through from the back side. I'll try to video that. Maybe down here. Yeah, okay, here you can see the bolts. Okay, so there's one bolt right there. Focus. Okay, there's one bolt there, and there's another bolt there. And when you flip them, when you flip that sprocket around and the bolts are going in from the outside, it moves the sprocket towards the motor a ½ inch, which causes the chain to be on an angle. But as you can see here, this chain is pretty much perfect. The second problem is these chain tensioners here wear out. So I'm in the process of figuring out a solution for this chain tensioner. But the chain needs to be straight, and that is almost always, these are reversed. And the only reason I know is that when I bought this machine, this was reversed, the chain was crooked, and it took me a while to figure out that that was why. So maybe this will help somebody.